These outdoor lighting ideas will inspire you to eliminate your space in style. From ambience boosting designs to practical solutions. Hope you guys enjoy my ideas. Please share my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest update. Today, in my video, you get the ideas about the garden lighting. Hope you guys get different ideas from my video for your garden to eliminate or lighten your garden. Please share your reviews at the comment section below and tell me which idea do you like most and which type of idea do you want. Please share my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest update. Garden lighting ideas to make your plants shine. Globe with globe lights, retaining wall lights, string lights for tree, lantern lights, and many more. Please share my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest update. In my video, you can get different garden lighting ideas. Create a silhouette with ground level lights. Create a glow round trees. Add lights with directions. Add cozy atmosphere with flames. Use repetition to welcome visitors through your garden. Make use of shadows and add overhead lights with festoon bulbs. Please share my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest update. These beautiful garden lighting idea give an elegant and outstanding look to your garden. Hope you guys like my ideas. Please share my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest update. Halogen bulbs are a type of incandescent that gives a close approximation of natural daylight known as a white light. Colors appear sharper under halogen light and the bulbs can be dimmed. Hope you guys enjoy my ideas. Please share my YouTube channel with your friends and the family members and press the bell icon.